How to know whether your website is serving WebP images. Hi, I am Rishabh Shah and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can check if your website is serving WebP images or the normal JPG, PNG or SVG image. Let's get started. First of all, we'll go to your website. For our example, I'm using the website of DigitalOcean. Now, right click and go to Inspect Element. Now, go to the Network tab and click on Images. Now, hit refresh. Once you hit the refresh, you will start seeing a list of all the images getting loaded into the website. And you will see here the type of images that are being loaded. So here we are able to see that most of the images are SVG and WebP images. So from this, you can be sure that your website is serving WebP images. But let us cross-check it. If you see that it is being shown that the logo image is being served as a WebP image. This is the logo image. Now, let us right click on this logo and click Inspect. This will take you to the source code of the website. If you see here, you will find that the logo image is actually a PNG image, but the one being served is a WebP image. So from this, you can be sure that the website is serving WebP version of all the images. I hope you found this video helpful in detecting whether your website is serving the WebP images or not. Please like and share this video to help others too. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my next videos. Thank you.